welcome to the fourth tutorial. Today we thought we would do some self-care and to do some hair masks. So I am going to do a cinnamon and coconut hair mask which stimulates hair growth. Megan is going to do
a coconut oil, honey and apple cider vinegar mask which helps reduce dullness and lock in your colour.
And I'm going to be doing avocado, olive oil and honey mask because my hair's quite dry, so it will make it healthier.
Okay, we've made our mixtures. Our gunks.
My lips look gross.
And now we're going to put it on our hair. So we have to have it a little bit wet. So everybody. And then apply the hair. I'm going to apply mine like you apply some colour. And when you do a colour, pull your hair back with a comb, get a little brush, if you've got one, and literally go, because this one only goes onto your scalp. We've got my face.
It feels so weird.
We've got some gowns on, and if you don't have a gown, you could use a plastic bag.
Or just the top. I don't think I'd do it.
Yeah.
You could just put it in the water.
And then you do a hot cross bun section. It's not called that because it's Easter. It is actually called that.
By your lips.
It's
It's
right.
like pretty green. Oh. I can't see what I'm doing. This is such a struggle.
Okay, so hair masks have been completed. Washed it off, was freaking out a little bit, not gonna lie. Showering it, I was thinking this is ever coming out. But I did 3 shampoos and definitely a conditioner still. And it feels really nice. And I think it looks better. So I shall take some photos of the girls as well and put them on here. Thanks for watching.